जैसा कि हमने पिछले वीडियो में बात किया कि कंसंट्रेशन स्पैन को बढ़ाने के लिए हमें इंग्लिश पॉडकास्ट, इंग्लिश ऑडियो बुक्स और इंग्लिश मूवीज़ का हेल्प लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम मूवीज़ में हो रहे कैरेक्टर कॉन्वर्सेशन को रोक नहीं पाएंगे, ना ही हम किसी एंकर को रोक के बोलेंगे नहीं आप ये गलत बोल रहे हो या फिर ये होना चाहिए। इससे आपकी लिसनिंग स्किल बढ़ेगी, आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन स्पैन बढ़ेगा और आपका फोकस बढ़ेगा टुवर्ड्स अ टॉपिक, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही बड़ा टॉपिक है कि in a school you sit for approximately 6 hours, you listen to one teacher for more than 45 minutes on the same topic, जहाँ पे कि घर पे आप सिर्फ 10 से 15 सेकंड के रील में ये डिसाइड करते हो ये रील देखने लायक है या नहीं। अगर 2 से 3 सेकंड में अगर रील आपको इंप्रेस नहीं करता है, you just change it, but in your organization, in your school, when you visit there, you listen to the same teacher for more than 45 minutes. That's a big thing, it's a big achievement if your concentration is upon that topic for that span of time. So it's really big achievement. But if you're lacking this concentration span, and if you're lacking, the focus for more than 45 minutes, you should be choosing, some of the tips that I'm telling in this video. First, I've just told you to watch movies in English along with subtitle. You won't stop the character to say that you're saying wrong or something like that. You should watch news, podcasts, or any audiobook related to your favorite topic, so that your concentration should be engaged in that topic and you won't come out of it. So these were the 2 tips that I gave you. Afterwards, engage in active listening exercises. Now you should listen to short English clips and then summarize what you have heard. You can also use pause or repeat sentences to improve your comprehension. Comprehension is a way of accumulating knowledge from what you're listening, what you're reading, what you're feeling. So it's called comprehension. So in order to comprehend better and learn better, you should just listen and repeat what you have learned just now. But if you start nodding along with the audio repeating phrase like I see, just make sure you're not in a public place. If you are, then people might think you're just having one-sided conversation with yourself. Okay, next one is participating in an English listening quizzes. There are certain places and websites and applications that offer listening quizzes where you answer questions based on your audio clips. Now, concentrating on one particular topic is a big achievement for you. But if you lack this, you'll not be able to achieve this point. In that span of time, you should download an applications, or you should search on website any unseen passages quizzes on which you should listen to what the people are talking about, and then you'll be asked question: what did Robert say? What did Ron say? What did Jeffrey Joshua say? So after comprehending everything that you have learned, now you're supposed to answer, and in order to answer, you have to learn what people are talking about. So that's how it works. You should engage in listening exercises and just don't take it too seriously. If you miss a question, don't throw your phone across the room. It's a part of listening process, not a life or death situation. It's not like that. Next one is practice listening with native speakers. Now use language exchange programs in order to have conversation with native English speakers, and pay close attention to what their pronunciation is, their accent is, their dialect is, their intonation is, their pitches, and every little thing related to that. If you do this, your listening skill will boom within few days. If they speak too fast, don't hesitate to ask them that please slow down, unless you want to feel like you are listening to an English version of a race of a speeding by. So make sure. Next one is immerse yourself in English. Now surround yourself with English by setting your devices in English, following English speaking influencers, or listening to an English music or something like that. That helps you to engage in everything that helps you to learn this language, and it also enhances your attention span, your listening practice, and everything related to that. But don't be surprised if after a while you find yourself dreaming English too. It will happen. You're just sleeping and you start blabbering about what you have just did, how your day was. I mean, you'll start your conversation in your dreams also. It happens. So no one wants to wake up saying, "Where's the morning cup of tea?" at 3 a.m. So make sure at the time you'll be dreaming all that you have done whole day if you'll immerse yourself in English. I find that's sufficient for this video. In the next one, we'll be covering more topics like accent, dialect, and everything related to this language. If you're still watching this video till now, thank you so much for this. We'll be meeting in the next one. Take care.